Hey guys, what's going on? It's Bully Maze or Cole, whatever you guys want to call me. I don't care. And right now I'm going to do a mid-morning update for y'all. And what I see value in as far as swings are concerned, uh, and our next potential plays. So let's get started right off the bat. So I already had one loss today, AMSC. Why did I trade AMSC? Okay, let's see. Um, so you see from this wick on this candle right here, the high of 803, it's been on a downtrend ever since, right? And as well as that, if I can back out here, there we go. We have long-term support being around the $5 mark. All right. Alex and I were talking over this one yesterday as a potential reversal because on Friday it ended green on this candle work right here. I'm using the 4-hour chart, by the way. So we thought it would be a good play. If we go to the 5-minute, 20-day chart, or 1-minute, 1-day chart, we can see that it broke that $5 range, and if these bids don't hold at 495, it'll start actively trending down or continue to trend down. So what happened? I saw potential in it. I thought I was gonna try to reverse here because it was holding $5 really well this morning, right here. And it started trading up, hit highs of 514. I actually got in around 507 right here, hit highs, and I was thinking to myself, okay, this might start to reverse up to 520, 525 today. But it reversed back down, and it's now at its low point, 495. And I had a stop loss at 495, and fortunately, it triggered that stop loss. So I had a small, I think it was a 2% loss. Let's see. Yeah, around 2.37% loss. Totally, it's realistic. I can live with a 2% loss. And I like these types of plays, like Alex was saying too, because it offers a really low risk to a potentially high reward. Because I was thinking about selling at 550, the 550, 540 mark, and then potentially up at the 630 mark as well. I just had to break that downtrend. So one loss for today. What else do I see value in? I see value in BlackBerry. Okay, why is that? So you see it's trading in a channel, right? It was trading in a channel. It's had that downtrend since around the beginning of the year, right? Long-term downtrend, bouncing off the bottom of the channel, coming back up, hits the downtrend, drops back down. So let's talk about what we're seeing right around here. So we're seeing a short-term uptrend, right, to around the 1025 mark, right? So as soon as that breaks that 1025 mark and the volume comes in, we could see a reversal up to 1125 where that SMA is. That's offering about 10%. Yep, 10% profit. And then if it breaks that SMA, we could potentially see up to a 15 to 17% potential for profit. And that's all considering if it, stays true to this downtrend, right? Right now it's testing or it was testing earlier, hit the EMA, bounce back up. Let's go to the 1-minute chart here. It was testing this up, let's go to 5-minute chart. Here we go. Perfect. All right. So I have an alert set at 10:05 as a dip buy. I'm thinking about dip buying this guy, right? So I'm having a stop around 985. It's about 1%. Again, totally worth the risk. High risk, high reward. It's a 10-to-1 risk reward ratio. Perfect, right? But yeah, so it's in this ascending uptrend or ascending triangle pattern from about last Tuesday, and we could see the break at 525. So if it breaks 525, we could potentially see 1130 for sure, and then potentially 1185. So that's where we have our PT sit right now. Just got to be patient. Don't make any rash decisions. Bids are stacking up here at 1012. So we might see a move here in a little bit. All right, moving on to the next one, CROX. This is my personal watch. I've been watching this guy for a couple of weeks. Why do I see value in Crocs? All right. Not only are they a very fashionable shoe, and they are sure to get you a lot of attention from the chicks, it is on an uptrend, a long-term uptrend, as we can see from this trend line, right? It's got a 52-week high about at 1982, and it's bouncing off of this uptrend. It's having a little bit of a pullback today, down 2%, But if it stays true to this uptrend, we can see a recovery here. All depends on if it stays true to this uptrend. So now that I'm seeing this, I might alert. I might say 1725 might be a good break, and then 1750 is a very safe break. All right. Below the EMA, below the SMA right now, on that red candle. But if it stays true and it bounces off of this long-term uptrend, we can see a new high of around $21 where I put a PT. So I'm going to put that on the watch list here later today. But other than that, I see value in that. Okay, next one, MTBC. This has been on the swing list for a while now. I remember I traded this back in February. I think I traded right around here. 330 up to 360 was a 30-cent profit over, I think, 2 days. So that's pretty decent. But yeah, so it's all on chart patterns, guys. You just got to know what you're looking for, right? So from the high of 469, you have this downtrend. You can see these candles right here. You connect the dots. Pretty, 5-year-old stuff. Just connecting the dots. You connect the candlesticks, right? And it's on a short-term uptrend, up right around here. Another short-term downtrend, broke that, hit that longer-term downtrend, and now it's consolidating between here, right? So this is considered I would say, flag or pennant break. So if we see a break of 425, we can see a new high of 470 easily, right? So I'm watching that. I'm watching for the break. I'm going to go in on that if it does break because it offers a good technical breakout, right? And then from 425. Okay, no, don't want that. 425 right here. 426 good enough. Let's say up to 473. This is all considering if we have a new high. So let's say we go to 469, 10% on that new high. We'll probably test a higher, probably 475, 479. So for 475, it's 11%. $5, that's 17%. So this is, it's offering a good setup right now. I'm just waiting for the break. You don't want to jump in early because then you're risking it might pull back and then break the pattern, and you're doing yourself harm, right? All right. Last one I'm going to look at, SEDG. Alex and I have been looking at this one for a while now, probably for the past week. It's on a downtrend, broke the downtrend. Now it's on an uptrend, right? We saw the broke at $55 today. It's at 55.07 right now. We have an SMA acting as a resistance right now, right? So what does that mean? How do I use these indicators to see where a good buy entry would be? Well, the SMA is just just a lump sum of the moving average based on the price action per day, right? So this is a 180-day SMA, and people use these EMAs and SMAs as indicators to buy and sell. So the reason it hasn't broken this SMA is because a lot of people are using this as a point to sell. A lot of people saw the run up and then pulled back down about $52, and they bought back in because it was staying true to the trend line. And then 52 to 55, that's a 7% profit. So a lot of people were considering to sell at that SMA. That's what I would do. I'd personally wait for the break. 55.60 offers a good break, but I would honestly buy at $55.75 or $56 for a safe break. Above that, what can we see? So now, not only will that SMA act as a point of support, now it's still going to stay true. Hopefully, it will stay true to this uptrend here, and we could potentially see if it goes, if it hits the top end of the channel, we can see 23%, which is awesome. Let's see. I'd probably shoot for 61 just because it offers a point of resistance there. So from 56 to 61, we're seeing around 9%, 10%. And then beyond that, we can see the top end of the channel around 69. That's the 23%, right? Other than that, guys, that's what I'm actively watching. It's been a slow Monday so far. I'm honestly thinking about switching brokers, so I might not be as active as I was last week. But other than that, let's look and see. Not a whole lot going on there. Interest. CDG is doing good. just for, okay. If we see key EY break $20, I might set an alert. So from $20 up, and key hasn't hit the top of the channel in a while. 5%. You know, if you're looking for a longer term hold, that might be an option for you for 10%, 10 points. Let's see, SGH. 2%. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Broke the channel. Might see a start of a reversal. If it breaks this 33 mark, up to 39. We'll see. That might just be a personal alert for me. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you this morning. I'll try to upload this as soon as possible. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Trade smart, and I'll talk to you guys later.